Hey guys, my name's Dave. I'm a drummer from East London. I play drums for Chaos Reigns, Run Zeus Run, Ocean Declare, and a bunch of other stuff. But I'm here to tell you that I've joined the Collision Drumstick family, which is really exciting. Just a little bit about myself. When I started playing drums, I was 8 years old. I started playing drums in church when I was 10. I started gigging with rock bands in London when I was 16. I still play in church and I still gig with rock bands in London, so nothing's really changed there. But one thing that has always changed for me is drumsticks that I use. I've always gone from brands to brands, size to size. I've always mixed it up. Never really settled down on a stick, but since I've been playing these Collision 5As, which is my drumstick of choice now, I just feel like they work for me. They're great for me because I play a different style of music every day sometimes. So I want something that's versatile, something that's durable. And I also love the fact that they actually don't have much varnish or like lacquer on the sticks, which means if you get sweaty palms like I do, there's no real slipping going on. I feel like I've always got great grip of these things. And that's just a couple of the many reasons why I love these sticks. But I'm going to show you a video now of me playing a song called Graveyard Shift, which is by one of my bands called Chaos Reigns. And it's, I believe, the first single of our last EP, which was called Sweet Violence. So I hope you enjoy it. Check it out. Peace.
Angels like cry, the dead lay rise. My love for you can never die. Angels like cry, the dead lay rise. My love for you can never die. The birds have all stopped singing. The river stopped flowing. All I can hear is a cold wind blowing. Angels may cry, the dead may rise. My love for you can never die. Angels may cry, the dead may rise. My love for you can never die.